Yo guys, this is HumbleFx. Today again we are on those charts. This is a new account I just got from for account management, right? This guy funded account of he funded this account today, and then we had a loss. Our first trade we had a loss of $16. So today, I got entry on the Boom 1000. If you watch our previous video, you see that we had this formation before now. This formation on 5 minutes time frame. Let me show you guys on the M5 so that you see the entry we took earlier today. So in this chart, you see that we had this formation earlier today on the M5 and we took this trade. Right? If you check my previous video, you see this particular setup that I told that markets have to come here and then drop. Boy, he broke out of it, and then when market has come and break the other low, this low here, I now enter the trade on this new account that I got. All right. So right now we're actually going right very fine, and my target in this account is $13. Yeah. So if I should close it right now, I have $26. So I'm left with $4 to get to the target of today, but my full target is still down here, 210.58. That is about next 20 pips. The next 20 pips should be my target in this my TP, but I may not hold till that particular TP. I may close before that TP hits. Once I get my targets for the day on this account, I should be closing the market because I don't want to overtrade. I don't want to go against the trading setup. But why am I setting my TP right about here? Now look at the chart very clearly. Look this chart. Let me zoom out clearly. Now we have something like this. Look at this candle here. Look at this red candle in between those bullish candle. That candle is another block, right? Is an OB. So price will get to that point. It will get to the middle, that is the middle of it before it reacts. It might break it downside, but there is a tendency that it will get to that red candle and reverse back upside. There's a tendency for that, but we are only going to be closing even before it gets to that point once we get our target for the day. So we don't take chances of holding. Look at that's a small spike happened right about there. As a little spike happened there. So we don't to take chances right now. So I will exit this market here because I need $10 more to get to the target. So I will stop it here. I have $20 profit right here. So I need $10 to get my target for today on this account. So what I will do is that I will wait for it to break this small spike zone, break it below here. If it goes below here, I will enter for my $10. And I believe that before the market gets to the line, the actual TP, we shall have gotten our $10 and then we'll call it a day. All right, so stay tuned and let us see if we achieve that in this video. All right, remember this is account management and it's still available if you want to join in the account management service. All right, so the equity to join with is $100 or more, but if you cannot afford that, I would accept you to come in with $15. All right, and that offer is just for the next 2 persons to come up can join with equity of $15. All right, let's wait and see if price will break below or it will spike above. And so now we are in for the trade, guys. So I've set in my entry on that particular place and we are in already. Look at that. So we are hoping to get $12 on this account right now. I'm hoping to get $10 or $12 for us to close for the day on this account. So remember our targets, we are looking at that other block for our TP, and that's where my TP is. That other block, that's where our TP is. So let's see if we get to that point. Enjoy. Yo guys, now here we are, guys. So our target is hit. We are just a few pips, in fact less than 1 pip to hit our target. We have to get $12 for us to get our target for today. So look at that, and I told you guys that this place can be very, very effective, and I don't want to take chance on this particular place. So look at this particular place here. It's dangerous. Anything can happen right about there, and then you need to be very careful when you see something like that. When you see one candlestick like that, is very, very dangerous. Sometimes it can make you lose money that you don't want to lose. So you take your TP before that particular area. So right now, I'll be taking my TP at that top or that place right now. Even though my take profit is very close, but I don't want to take the chance of holding it to know whether it will spike or not spike. So I'm just going to take my TP right about now. So let me just hold a little bit. So closing the market right now. Let me close the market right about now, guys. So see you in the next video, guys. Until then, I remain HumbleFx. Don't forget, if you want to do account management, send me a message on WhatsApp or on Telegram, okay? And then let us get started. Or if you want to join the Elite group, this trade you see here was sent to the Elite group already. So if you want to join the Elite group, currently I will give you $10 for a month, and you also get extra 1 month if you join right now. Okay, so it's that simple, guys. It's that simple. All right. And if you want to get any of our courses like the WB's Forex Mastery course, the Tony IK Forex Mastery course, Mamba FX, and many other courses, all right, you can get each of them for $10, and to get all of them, you can get it for $20. All right, see you in the next video. Until then, I remain HumbleFx. Enjoy.